should do the trick. Alright, so after much exploring, well, we do have some daylight left. Found a spot. I've been in this area before, so I kind of knew a little bit of the layout, but that fire pit needs some attention. And there's just trash laying around. Right by a creek. But as you guys saw on the way in, there's plenty of snow on the ground. Well, here and there. Not plenty of snow, but there was some. Down here, there's like a little bit over there that you guys ain't gonna be able to see. A little bit back in there. Yeah, had some snow in the area yesterday. Was hoping to get a little bit of it. That's not too bad. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up and situate a little. So I'd like to get some food going here and maybe eat before dark, but you guys know how that goes. Okay, so found this new fire starter. It's probably not new. You guys have probably all heard of this and seen it. I just never have. All-weather Sterno Green Fire Starter Instant Flame Gel. I don't know. Burns clean, safe, odorless, great for campfires, outdoor cooking, and more. I guess you just dump it on there. It doesn't really say. It just says apply it to the fire or to the wood. It says it's a gel. Turn around so you guys can see it. For anybody else that maybe doesn't know what this stuff is, it's pretty thick. Ooh, well, I don't know how much you're supposed to use. Oh, I'm gonna try like that much, I guess. Like if it's going to start it, that should do it. Does not seem to be burning very well. Yeah, I think the sticks are burning better than the gel. Just like kind of charred a little bit. It looks like everything but the gel is burning. I don't know. Maybe this stuff expires. It's like an expiration date, but it definitely looks like an old bottle. I don't know. Let's go for a minute and see what happens. So definitely forgot to bring some water. I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Some right out of the stream here. A little bit of a rinse. Some cold water all over me. That's entirely too much for sure. Yeah, I don't know that I've ever actually had andouille sausage. I don't even know what's in it. I should have read the package, but I didn't. But I did read it's fully cooked. It said Cajun spices. I can definitely taste like Cajun in there. Yeah, I like that. That's gonna be really tasty in there, I think. So, fire's been going. Water's been boiling. I think about time to start on that rice, maybe. The shrimp and the sausage should take like a couple minutes, right? I don't know. I've never really cooked Cajun food, but I about fell down on that rock. So, this is probably a mistake. I don't know. I didn't go crazy with the bell pepper since I already had some in there. Yeah, I don't know. This might not be the best. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna add it to our nice hot water here. Let that go for a few minutes. All right, shrimp's been going for a minute. And I don't want to overcook it because it's still got to go in the rice. But I found this stuff. I know. It's not new. This stuff has been around forever. I've heard of a lot of people liking it, but I've never tried it. I mean, Tony, is it Chad? I've heard it pronounced. I shouldn't know this. Chachere's Creole seasoning, which I think it's kind of like Cajun seasoning, right? No? I know, I'm wrong. I figured. Anyway, so I read the back. It says, use it like salt. When it's salty enough, it's seasoned to perfection. I think they're just saying, listen, this is super salty. Watch out for it now. Be careful. It says great on everything. I think I read something. Put it on stuff and things and stuff. Meat, seafood, poultry, vegetables, eggs, soup, stews, salads, even barbecue and french fries. I don't know. But you know how I sample things. So I got me a little spoon here. Trying to do this with two. Oh, that's too much of a sample. I'm gonna put it back. It's like it's a lot. That's a lot. I'm not doing that much. It's gonna be salt. Still too much. Still too much. Oh. Yeah, still too much. Wow. It's good. That's a lot of salt. I'm gonna read that part. Serving size is a quarter of a teaspoon. Quarter of a teaspoon, if you didn't hear that. Well, I'm dead. This is where I expire. Right on the side of this river. 340 milligrams of sodium. Oh, that was a mistake. That stuff is stout. I can breathe a little again now. Okay, don't do that. That's not a good idea with that. But it is good. Like, it has a good flavor. It's just a lot of salt. Some other things go light. I think it is going to be good on shrimp. Soups and stews and such, I could see eggs. I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, let me know if you guys have tried this. I'm sure most of you have. I'm gonna put a little on the shrimp. Maybe a little bit in the rice. I don't want to overdo it. I don't know. We'll just add a little as we go. Get some onion going here. All right, so for this you can see the bell pepper and onion have been going for a few minutes now. I forgot to get putting the pepper in there, but it's there. You can see that, right? Of course, you know I'm going to squeeze garlic because I'm lazy. One of these days I'm going to be legit and like put some good garlic. I mean, this stuff's fine. It tastes good and all. Probably does the exact same thing. So give us a... Alright, new hot sauce to try. And new light that's probably blinding me and whitening you guys out completely where you can't see me. I know that Slap Your Mother makes like a dry seasoning shaker thing, powder seasoning. I didn't know they made this. Thought it'd be a good time to try it because it's like Cajun-ish, right? Louisiana right on the label, I think. Cajun hot sauce. Shake well. Made in Louisiana. Ville Plate. I'm not trying to pronounce that. If you're from there, you know where that is. You're not going to be able to read it, but I'm going to try anyways. You get a better chance of reading that than me pronouncing it right. Let's see. It doesn't really have like a scale or a rating. Aged pepper mash, vinegar, other spices, salt, xanthan gum. Other spices, could be anything, who knows. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's like super hot, it just says hot sauce. Oh yeah. That was a lot. That was a lot. It's not bad. A little vinegary, but not like Tabasco level. That's not bad at all. I like that better than the seasoning. Yeah, it's like a way better Tabasco almost. Oh, it's good on its own. I'm gonna let that finish cooking. We'll try it on there. So, pepper and onion. I've been going for a few minutes. Garlic's in there. I think it's about time to heat up the sausage just a touch. Being fully cooked, I know it's not going to take real long. Alright, dinner is done. You are not going to be able to see this, even slightly. I hope you can. I'm not going to look too much in the dark, but it looks pretty good to me. I don't know, I can't see anything. There's some hot. So that's all just rice. Now, I don't know what to do here to make you guys see me any better. Trying the headlamp, not working too good. One piece of sausage in there. Oh, sausage not bad. The shrimp, if you can see that at all. Left a little tail on that one. I read to leave the tails on because it has a lot of flavor. I don't know. Needs a few things. Pepper for sure. Okay, so you're not gonna be able to see it. I don't understand this light situation. But anyway, put a good bit of pepper on there and some more of the seasoning, the Tony Scratcheries. Yep. Much better. You know, I think this whole light situation would be better like overhead. It's like blinding. You can't see any of that. Can you even tell that shrimp? Yeah. Not bad. I don't mind it. It is a little bland to start with, but I went very light on that seasoning. See what this is like on there. Should give it a little something. It's gotta be too much for sure. Right with the sausage and the hot sauce. I don't know. It's not bad on there, but it doesn't up the flavor a ton, really. Not like I thought it would. I don't know, the vinegary taste might be too much. I'm gonna go a little light on the sauce. I don't know. For once, I could say I can honestly just do without the hot sauce. It usually always helps in my situations, but it didn't necessarily make it any better. It just kind of changed the taste a little. You can tell or not, but it's down to my last few bites here. Definitely good. But with those ingredients, like, how bad could it be, you know? One last sausage. Yeah, not bad. I don't really know what I'll do different. I don't know. But that was kind of my first attempt at cooking anything Cajun. So for all you out there that know what you're doing, I apologize ahead of time. I know that was butchered, I'm sure. I know a lot of Cajun food is supposed to slow cook and simmer, and it was just kind of a quick, you know what I mean, attempt at some camp Cajun food. I liked it. I don't think it was bad at all. The hot sauce, I don't know, I was hopeful going into it because it tasted pretty good on its own. Just didn't do a lot for it as far as the dish. I still give it like 7-1. It's not bad at all. I'm curious to see what else it's going on. Try like maybe some eggs, definitely some potatoes. I think that'd be good. Oh yeah, not too bad. Of course, make too much. There's enough in there for like 3 more of those with ease. So, Can have leftovers. But I already stoked the fire up a little bit. I'm gonna throw some more wood on there real fast and warm up because it's now down to 37 degrees. All right, so now that dinner's digested a little bit, I do have a new coffee to try. Pretty sure a few of you have seen me have a Rebel on here, but it's been a while. Definitely never had a limited edition pumpkin spice latte hard coffee. I don't mind a pumpkin product every now and again. It says 5% alcohol by volume. Warm and spicy. I don't like the sound of that. I don't think I like it warm and spicy. I don't know. Sound a little different. Figure I'd give it a shot. Shake well. That's going to explode on me now. It impairs your ability to drive a car. So don't do that. Could also cause health problems. Contains milk. Produced by 12-5 Beverage Company, LLC. I've said this before wrong. Neenah, Wisconsin. Oh. See what it's all about. Said to shake well. Too well. Oof. Oof. I don't know about that. They weren't kidding with warm and spicy. How's it warm and spicy when it's cold right out of the cooler? That doesn't even make sense. That's odd. That's really odd. That's like the warmest cold drink I've ever had. I didn't even know that was possible. Now I'm all sticky. I don't know about it. That's not for everyone, for sure. It reminds me of one of them little things you like burn for smell, and your entire house smells like that, and your clothes, and you just kind of want to burn your house down and start over. It's strong. That's a lot. I don't know about it. If you're a day drinker, that'd be all right. Start with that as like a coffee in the morning. It's not good for this time of night, I don't think. Especially on a belly full of like Cajun food. No. Flavor's all right. It's intense. I want to give it like a 5-1. Don't know that I can get that one again. But I'm gonna give it a shot. I like my pumpkin flavored things a little smoother than that. It's like a real kick in the head, if you will. Yeah, it doesn't get much better the farther you go. I'll finish it. It's not awful. A little odd. I'm not going to suggest you go try it unless you really love a good spicy pumpkin drink. Sounds weird to even say. Anyway, I'm going to finish that as much as I really wouldn't like to. I'm going to. I'm going to throw some more wood on that fire and stay warm because it's getting chillier out now. Well, Good chilly morning. Definitely got a little cold last night. Probably could have ran the heat. Did get a little chilly. I didn't freeze to death by no means. Nose got a little chilly. Toes got cold a couple times. When I got up, the thermometer inside the vehicle said 40. A little chilly. Have a new coffee. I've had these Chamberlain coffees before. The only place I've seen these is at like Walmart. But I've not seen a cinnamon bun latte. Now, a little backtracking here. That coffee I tried last night was a pumpkin spice latte. Okay? It hit me later in the night what it tasted like. It reminded me of Fireball. So, I'm not a huge fan of Fireball. If you're not familiar with Fireball, it's a cinnamon liquor, like a whiskey. It's okay, I can drink it, I don't love it. Gotta be in moods. Last night wasn't that mood. So, yeah, if you don't like Fireball, maybe not try that coffee that I tried last night. Coffee beer that I tried last night, the Rebel. Now, back to this. Cinnamon bun latte, it's gonna put that bad taste right back in my mouth because now it's like still in my mouth, still in my head, Fireball. So I'll probably ruin myself for this. It has almond and coconut milk. 110 calories in this whole can, so not awful for coffee. Hopefully it doesn't just instantly remind me of Fireball. No, it's it has that same kind of taste. Not so Fireball-ish. Definitely has more coffee flavor to it than like a liquor taste. So that's good. 12 ounces in that can. I mean, I don't know if you can tell because it's like skinny and kind of weird. Everything I touch now says shake well. I forgot on this one. Can I stir slightly, you think? 70 milligrams of caffeine, served cold. Yeah, this would not be good warm. It's all right, actually. This is a better coffee than that Rebel was beer, that's for sure. I still don't think I'd get it again. I don't love like cinnamon bun flavored really anything. Just want to try it because it was different. I don't hate cinnamon, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Yeah, it's alright. I'd give it a 5. Nice, even 5. Yeah. Oh, give it a shot if you like cinnamon. Not awful. I didn't see any more of these Chamberlain coffees, but if I come across any more, I'll try them. A nice warm coffee would have been nice today. I don't know what the temperature is. I don't even have my phone. It's dead somewhere. Gone. I don't know. But I'm thinking that if it was 40 when I woke up in there, it's, you know, obviously low 30s out here at least. Definitely frost all over the ground, nice and chilly. But still slept really well. Kind of nice being by a creek, even though the air off of it was a little chilly last night. But I kept that fire going. It's nice and high. And pretty solid night. So, I am going to get packed up and get out of here. I have things to do today, so I'm gonna skip out on the breakfast. I am liking this creek though, like stream. Little rapidy spot there. A pretty solid place to swim if it wasn't 30 degrees or whatever temperature it is. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this trip. So hopefully check back in next week. We're definitely gonna do this again. I have just reached 1 year of doing this on YouTube, actually. It's been a pretty fun adventure, actually. It would feel weird to stop now, so I'm not doing that anytime soon. Definitely nice to get away, do some camping, make some new food I've never tried. So, for everyone that's been there since the beginning, thank you, because I know there's quite a few of you that have been there since like day one. And then for all you new viewers, definitely stick around if you like what you see, because I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. I already have some trips planned for the summer, some motorcycle trips, hopefully some kayak trips in some new spots. So there should be plenty of new things and adventures and interesting things to watch for a good long while. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, stick around, check it out in the future, and go back and see some old videos if you want. Last week I did a stealth camping video. That was my first time doing that. Definitely pretty fun. Definitely different for me. I do have some more stealth trips planned as well. I got some like structure, shelter, if you will, ideas going. So yeah, anyways, enough rambling. Next week will likely be just another camping trip, something like this, I would imagine. So come back for that. Thanks for tagging along this time. And as always, thanks for watching.